Man, it's a good time to knock down the brush, that's for sure. What a pain in the butt. Trying to follow this deer path, but I am not a deer. Yep, now I made it to surrounded by downed trees again. I might be able to make it over that one though. All right. Amazing what you can do on these little things. I looked at buying a brand new one of these a few years ago and found out they didn't make them anymore. I was completely bummed out. They make like a brute force. They make like a brute force 300 or something. And they only make like 2 4-wheelers now. I don't think I can fit through there. I don't know if you guys just saw that, but it was spinning and all it took was a little bit of my left arm and it was enough to keep me going. That's what's awesome about these little 4-wheelers. That way ain't gonna work. All right, gonna have to pop over that. Oh, look at that. Stuck again on another tree. That one was my fault. Should have kept it going. Yeah, I'm just stuck in here. Maybe that way. All right, guys, I went ahead and switched to Super View. It's usually a little better for riding. You never, especially in this stuff, you never know which way you're going to be looking. It's cold out here, I'll tell you that. Might be able to squeeze over there through there. We'll see. I gotta get over that. Keeps getting behind my wheel. And again. Need to take a lesson from Tanner and carry a saw on me. Normally I do carry a little sawzall on my backpack, but this was kind of unexpected. Oh, there wasn't even that much holding that thing. Good thing is the branches aren't very springy. They're so heavy that they don't really spring back and slap you in the face like they normally would. Okay, through here. All right, guys, this is pretty much linked me back up where I need to be on my trail system. You can kind of see the trail here. There's where we would have came out with the trees down up there. Have to cut that out next nice day we get. Got some trees and stuff to trim. A lot of fresh deer tracks. Lurched me forward. There we go.